pastor brought the house down. Was that really what he said? His words were so disturbing, they could have raised the dead. Did he truly think that watching kids of dancers was of God? Would he really let them in our church, knowing where it was they trod? So the deacons called a meeting. Their wives were in a fury, but the people gave an open ear as the preacher told his story. Outside the box, outside the box, can't you hear the Savior calling? The church sits by while sinners die, and even saints are falling. Outside the box, outside the box, can't you hear Jesus cry? I gave my life for each of them, but you just passed them by. I gave my life for each of them, but you just passed them by. The preacher said God spoke to him, and with pleading cries he shared that we could win these girls to Christ if they only knew we cared. When they dropped their kids off every day, we could meet them with God's grace. Just a hug and prayer, you never know, could wipe away disgrace. But you have to think outside the box to find this truth in His Word. The Spirit must have moved that day, 'cause all the people heard. Outside the box,